Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete your ChatGPT account on your mobile device. To do so, first of all, open the ChatGPT mobile app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Now from the home page, tap the menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, go all the way down and tap on your name or initial. From the settings menu, tap on Data Controls. On the next page, look for a Delete Account button at the very bottom. But before deleting, you can also export data from the app by tapping Export Data and confirm the export. And all the data from ChatGPT will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file. In order to continue deletion, tap on Delete Account and then click on Delete Account one more time. Remember that deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. Your data, including your profile, conversations, and API users, will also be removed. And you will not be able to reuse the same email address or phone number for a new account, so be sure that you really want this. After you want to confirm, tap Delete Account, and then your account will be permanently deleted in a few days. So that's how you easily delete your account on ChatGPT. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.